Arrived at Lake Louise, Chateau Lake Louise, and the lake, and we're going for a hike. And the crowd, big picture, Lake Agnes, and then the Big Beehive. Lake. Gonna do the Big Beehive hike past Lake Agnes. And past Lake Louise first.
The other way.
Actually, he did the other way. So they just hung on to the money until Monday.
Doing trips here in Canada, Lake Louise, Alberta, Canada now. And a lot of people here on a Friday the 13th, September 2024. Let's see how busy it is up the hike. We're going to do the Lake Agnes hike up, then to the Big Beehive. The lake trail down along the lake, and this way up towards Lake Agnes and the Beehive lakes. As we hope, we started our hike. Still quite a few people on the trail, but nowhere near as many like in front of the lake. Started out the hike in the upper 40s and shedding clothes now. It's getting warm going up. Oh, we're getting warm. Nice about this trail is it's wide enough. You can walk next to each other and people can pass each other without much effort. Near lake. Lake Agnus Tree House.
No, I don't want it. No.
It's a little steep here going up to the top of the Beehive Trail. The views will be worth it. Coming up to the top.
You see him?
A dog? Another dog encounter.
Ski farm.
Heading back down to Lake Agnes. Multiple ways you can go. You can go on to the Six Glaciers Trail. There's another sign for Lake Louise. It goes back a different way. We're gonna go back the same way we came up. It's most less steep right here, coming up from Lake Agnes to the Big Beehive. Lake Agnus Tree House. It's still a long line to get in. And down from Lake Angus down to Mirror Lake and back to Lake Louise. Pretty amazing we found a little solitude.
What?
Pretty amazing we found a little solitude on this hike down the Lake Agnus Tree House going down to Mirror Lake. We took the right side instead of the one closer to the waterfall, and finally for the first time today it's like we have the trail to ourselves. On our way down, still lots of people coming up. Finishing our hike up to the Big Bee Hive, going by way of Mirror Lake and Lake Angus. And here's Lake Louise where we started, and Chateau Lake Louise. Lots of people still here. It's clouded up. Took us over 4 hours, 4 hours and 20 some minutes total time. I'd say 4.5 hours with our stops. Hiking wise, about 12.5 kilometers and 4 hours. 4 hours of hiking time, so more or less. I'm gonna go back. Dean trips Lake Louise, Alberta, Canada.